Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today, I have a Bombay and Cedar box. Unexpected. So let's get into it and check it out. This box was gifted to me from Bombay and Cedar. You will always get my honest review. I actually reviewed them for the first time in quite some time last month and absolutely loved it. I really enjoy this box. Okay, as we get into this, I have to tell you, I don't know what it is. I didn't know that they were sending me another box. So this is gonna be as much of a surprise for me as it is for you, which is actually kind of what makes unboxings fun. We have the paperwork and then their nice sealed up box that says hello. And we open it up. Lots of nice squigglies. And good stuff on top. Looks like we're starting with a snack. Bombay and Cedar has two boxes. Let's see what this is so I'll know which one to tell you about. This says it is the inside the 2022 January lifestyle box. So it is their monthly lifestyle box. They do a monthly and a quarterly lifestyle box. The monthly lifestyle box has 6 to 8 full-size and deluxe size products. You will have one choice with it and it will have a value over $120. There are essential oils in every box. You can get skincare, books, snacks, home goods, activities, and more. The monthly box is $49.95. If you extend to a 3-month subscription, it goes down to $48.95, 6 months, $47.95, or a year brings it down to $46.95. I will put the link and my code down below, and my code is Kathrin10, and that will get you $10 off your first subscription. All right, we're reaching in right on top. We saw this really cool bag of snacks. It's a big bag too. Uglies, kettle chips, and sea salt. I don't know what Uglies claim to fame is, but let's see if we can find out. And just for the record, the paperwork just shows it looks just like the Bombay and Cedar box, and then the back is just shows you everything that you could have gotten. A lot of them are 2 of the below will be in your box or 1 of the below, so there are variations. Like I said, with this box you will have a choice. But this says that the Uglies kettle cooked potato chips are a $1.29 value. These chips are crafted from potatoes with slight imperfections. Some of the potatoes are slightly blemished, and of course, some are just farmer surplus. And just to be clear, the potatoes are not diseased, rotting, or unripe. Oh, good to know. So, potato chips and sea salt. I mean, that's never wrong, at least in this house. Right on top, next we have our oils. Each month in their monthly box, you will receive 2 oils. This month you could have received lime, sweet orange, scotch pine, or lemongrass, and you get 2. And I got sweet orange and scotch pine. They also come with cards, and I will say very quickly, I always recommend reading the card before you use any essential oils. If you have children or especially pets, be sure before you use any of these that you've read that they are okay with pets, because you don't want to have it on you, pet your pet, have your pet lick itself, and have bad things happen, or even diffuse it into your house. You want to know about the essential oils you're using. This says that the sweet orange oil has a $12 value, and it's known for its energizing properties, making it a great choice to use in the morning before workouts. The scotch pine has a $15 value, and it says it is steam distilled from the needles and twigs of the evergreen tree. We also have cards, and what the cards let you know are where you should be aware. Like with the orange, you always want to mix essential oils with a carrier oil. Like 1 drop of this to like a tablespoon of carrier oil is probably all you need to get the benefits. So always use a carrier oil when applying it to your skin. And this lets us know that if you are applying it to your skin, it can cause you to become photosensitive. And the scotch pine, let's see what it says. And it lists several people who shouldn't use it, pregnant women among them, and keep it away from children and pets. So that's how you use the scotch pine. So you can absolutely use oils safely. You just need to be aware of how to do that. Reaching in next, I have, something wrapped up in plastic and an adorable tin. This is the NCLA Beauty birthday cake, all natural lip treatment too. I have to tell you, when I opened this tin, I thought, oh, it's gonna be tea. This is fun and exciting. That is what it looks like. It looks, you see pieces of birthday cake all over it. That is fun. And it says it's lip scrub, lip balm, and a lip scrubber. I love the NCLA. I had one, use that chocolate peppermint that I got the scrub and the balm. I used the scrub several times. I wiped the balm out. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this adorable lip scrubber. You can hold it from the back, so it's got the little holdy thing, but it's lips. How stinky cute is that? This is adorable. This is absolutely adorable. And then on the inside, we have the sugar scrub and the Balm Babe. Did I say what flavor it was? Oh, birthday cake. Birthday cake. We have to smell this. It smells so good, guys. It smells like a birthday cake. Actually, I have started noticing that a lot of things that call themselves birthday cake, to me, they smell more like the icing. And that's kind of how this is. It kind of has that buttercream, sweet icing scent to it. Oh my gosh. Yeah. This is jumping the line and going straight into the drawer. Every night before bed, I lather up and try and keep my lips soft through the winter. And as we go into spring and summer, it'll be less difficult, but I keep a balm and I have a Laneige. I have a assortment in there. This is going to the head of the line. That's gonna make me hungry. That is nice. And in such a cute tin, this says Lip Care Kit by NCLA. Sugar Lip Scrub gently exfoliates, hydrates, and brightens, while Balm Babe Lip Balm intensely soothes and nourishes. And it has a $24 value. Instead of this, you could have also received the Herbal Eye Balm from Vegan, or you could have received either a lip scrub or facial cleanser from Symbiosis. I could not be more happy with mine regardless of what the value assigned is. Next out, we have a tooth buckle, a toothbrush cover with a lower impact on the environment. That is interesting. Toothbrush set by tooth buckle. This cover keeps away the harmful transfer of germs from the bathroom onto your toothbrush and then into your mouth. Well, don't rest a lot thinking about that. And it has a $10 value. You could also have received, instead of this, a Dead Sea foot scrub from Professor Herb. I have a Sonicare, so I probably won't use this, wow, in my everyday life. That is so cool. But it would be perfect to travel with. How awesome is that? This slip right in there would keep it safe. That is really cool. And I think for me, it would be perfect for travel. I'm sure a lot of people would use it in their day-to-day lives. The back of the box says, specialized silver particles that reduce bacterial growth in between brushes. Use daily and when traveling. Feel the difference with a luxury, soft touch, no plastic, fully recyclable, and long-lasting, dishwasher safe. All right. I just love how different this box is. All right. Next out, we have NIMBY compressed cleaning towels. Yeah. Everything I do, I use microfiber. I try and use as few paper towels as possible. If it were up to me, we almost wouldn't buy paper towels. I could count on one hand how many paper towels I probably use in a week. I'm having a harder time breaking my husband of it, but I love reusable towels. Removes 99.9% of germs, 0 plastic chemicals, reuse 5 times. So, what? Oh, okay, I'm gonna redo that. I want you guys, I mean, not for me, I'm not gonna, I always want you to have my honest opinion, but so that's what it looks like from the front. And I thought, well, so there's gonna be individual towels or something standing in here. They're like little tablets. They're just, okay, I'm gonna do this over on Instagram. This is something we need to know more about. It even has an imprint in the top. Can you see that? How many are there? That is 20 count. And so you can use each one of them 5 times. It says they are flushable, biodegradable, a certified ISO company, backyard compostable. Nimbus makes the most eco-friendly products available that reduce your impact on the planet's forests with the amazing antibacterial properties from plant-based fibers made into natural rayon. NIMBY towels remove germs and dirt from your hands, body, or surfaces instantly. Just add water and watch it grow. So you can wash your hands and your body with it too. So you can treat it like a washcloth. I am intrigued by this. I'm not real sure where this fits in my life, but I will let you know when I do, because that is cool. This says NIMBY compressed towels redefine an all-natural clean. And it says they are made from eucalyptus-based rayon. And just add water and watch it grow, $9.99. I am really, everybody would have gotten this too. So everybody would have received this product. That is cool. I mean, you know, your basic paper towel. And guys, I just reached in and didn't realize this was under the next thing I'm taking out. It's the toothbrush. It's a natural toothbrush. I don't know if you can see through this or not. I don't want to take it out because it's sealed, which will be perfect for travel. But it is a toothbrush that has the blue on it, the same as the toothbrush case. So this is made to go in there. Okay, reaching in next, I have a Mood of the day, natural soap bar. Natural soap bar? Curious, rosemary and sage, vegan, natural, biodegradable. What? There is some really cool stuff in this box. I don't even know what this means. How can something that looks, I mean, oh, it smells good. It smells like soap. What am I doing with this? Okay, I'm intrigued. This might be the most intriguing thing I've gotten in a box in a very long time. Ways to use. Hang it over any sink. Hang it in the shower. How am I hanging it? Hang it in the shower. Break a piece and use like any other soap. Slice into manageable pieces. Use your grater and shred into soap flakes. That is so interesting. I mean, I would probably break it. How interesting is this, guys? It smells like soap. Have you ever been to a place like, say, Williamsburg, somewhere where they make soaps that they're trying to make soaps smell like they were made centuries ago? This puts me in the mind of that. It smells like a vintage, I mean, it smells good, don't get me wrong, but that's the olfactory memory that it's stirring up in me. In our paperwork, this says these natural olive oil soaps are scented with essential oils and available in several moods. This mood is curious, by the way, and I am indeed curious, and they all seem to be this shape. Has a $12 value. Is so interesting to me. They said to hang it. How would one hang it and use it? Let me know if you know the answer to this question. I'm going to go out to their website. What is their website? It's probably mood of the day. Thecoolprojects.com is what this is all about, if you want to go out and check it out too. That is interesting. Very intriguing. I like that. The uniqueness of this is like aces for me. I love this because there's more. I have, oh, bowl covers, reusable bowl covers, set of 2. If you watch the channel, you know I love reusable bowl covers. Machine washable. They feel like fabric. Okay, we're getting in here. I have these silicone bowl covers that you like stretch over a bowl and but these aren't like that. These remind me of the ones like when I was a kid. I don't know if you're like maybe mother or grandmother, I don't know how old you are, had these. The inside is kind of plasticky, but the outside, it's like a shower cap. The outside is fabricy, like a shower cap. It's got the cute bikes on it, and it's just a bowl cover. But then it's reusable, so you don't have to use saran wraps or aluminum foil or anything like that. So the inside, I can't make it so you can hear that, is plasticky, and then that is the outside. So we have 2 sizes here, big head and little head. Going back for just a second, I got that cool soap stick. You could have received instead a bath noodles by Paper Plane. They're like little bath noodles, like I don't know if they suds or what they do, but they look like ramen and you just drop them into your tub. That's super cute too. This says Save It Bowl Covers by Danica. Reusable bowl covers that eliminate the need for plastic wrap. Premium, high quality, and classically modern. Machine washable, eco-friendly, and good for the earth. Pattern chosen at random. $20 value. Instead of this, you could have received a yoga mat spray, a DIY food wrap kit, or an extra virgin olive oil. So those were all good choices too. The paper that they came in says that you have 2 bowl covers, 20 plus cling wrap rolls, so I guess that's how long they're expected to last. Food safe lining keeps moisture in and food fresh. The large one fits up to a 10.5-inch diameter and the small one up to a 9-inch diameter. From Now Designs Danica. And I think I still have something else. I have a book on the bottom. It says a step-by-step guide to manifesting your dream life. Future boards. Learn how to create a vision board to get exactly the life you want. That is what that looks like. And looking at the paperwork, this is something else everyone would have received. Learn to create the ultimate vision boards to actualize the life you want with this essential guide. A future board takes the idea of a vision board one step further. It's a true visual representation of your desired future life. I have not actually ever done a vision board, so this is just kind of interesting. It's just, I don't know if you can see, it just is pages and pages of ideas, I think. Here, let's randomly pick a page and stuff. Experiences over things. This is where my approach to vision boards takes a dramatic turn from the masses, and it's the #1 reason my future boards manifest so quickly and accurately. Why? Because they focus on experiences and not things. Traditional vision boards are normally about pulling photos and material things from magazines, but not future boards. This was a good page to read. In this chapter, you'll learn my #1 secret to successfully manifesting. It's all about the experiences, the life you want to live. All right. And if I didn't say this has a $16.99 or let's just say $17 value. So the value in your box could have been $127 to $213.27. It's because up in that category where I got the awesome cake lip scrubs, you could have received, you know, a lip or facial cleanser that had an $86 value. So that was $60 more. There are just slight variations. I just enjoy this box so much. I don't know if you can go onto their website. I'll try and look here and buy past boxes. I don't know if that's something they do or not because this is a fun box. So in this box, I got the Future Boards book, the awesome bowl covers, the mood of the day, incredibly interesting soap, and the tooth buckle, toothbrush, and toothbrush holder, the Uglies sea salt chips, the, oh right, I forgot about these, really awesome NIMBY compressed cleaning towels, and the NCLA birthday cake lip balm and lip scrub, and it had that cute little lip exfoliator in it, and the essential oils because you get 2 essential oils from them in each box. And it is a $49.95 box. I will put the link below. We'll get you 10% off your first box. Thank you so much for coming by to check this out. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here with me. Let me know below what you think because like I said, I'm going to start adding more boxes to the channel. So I surely want to know what you guys think. Thanks again for coming by, guys.